Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page form with Jotform. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by long forms that seem to go on forever, breaking them into multiple pages can make a huge difference. It helps improve user experience by making your forms feel less intimidating and more manageable for people filling them out. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you've got your username and password ready, as this will give you access to all the form building features that Jotform offers. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see all your existing forms and start creating new ones. Now look toward the upper left corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Plus Create. Go ahead and click on it. This is your starting point for building any new form in Jotform, and it'll open up several options for you to choose from, depending on what type of form you want to create. From the options that appear, click on Form. This tells Jotform that you want to build a standard form rather than using templates or other features. You'll then see different ways to begin your form creation. For our purposes today, select Start from Scratch, which gives you a blank canvas to work with. After that, choose Classic Form. This format is straightforward and works perfectly for creating multi-page forms. Once your blank form loads, take a look at the left panel. This is where all your building tools live. Click on Add Element. This section contains all the different fields and features you can add to your form. In the Basic tab, scroll down through the available options until you find Page Break. This is the key element that allows you to split your form into multiple pages. Go ahead and select it. Now here's where the multi-page functionality really comes together. To enable the multi-page form properly, you need to have at least one form field before the page break. In the left panel, locate the full name field. Click and drag this field, then place it at the top of your form, right above the page break element you just added. This placement is important because it creates the first page of your form. Everything you place above a page break will appear on one page, and everything below it will appear on the next page. At this point, you've successfully set up the basic structure of a multi-page form. To make sure everything is working correctly, click on Preview Form at the top of the page. This will open a test version of your form where you can see exactly how it will look to users. You'll be able to navigate between pages and confirm that the page break is functioning as it should. And that's it. You've now created a multi-page form in Jotform, making your forms more user-friendly and easier to complete. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.